Yeah. Yeah, there we go. What's going on, man? We back up in here, man, with another one of these things, man. Down here at the shop, man. Got my Dodge, I got my Icy. We about to get to work, dog. Got some footage for y'all, man. That I don't know if this car been on nobody's channel or not. I asked him, was it a secret? He said, nah. He said, ain't but a couple people seen it though. So, yeah. Ain't but a couple people seen it. I'm looking at it right now, this thing. Gotta turn the camera around so y'all can't see it. Got some fireworks over here though. I'm reporting this shit to Ocean. Yeah, man, we got a couple whips in here, man. That old Cutlass up there. Just giving y'all sneak peeks, man. Got old transmissions back there. No record what?
Not this part.
I ain't recording it. I just recorded the fireworks.
Record the fireworks?
Yeah. Then when I said I was finna send your ass to Ocean. But yeah, man, it's my dog. My dog Sid, man. Y'all seen Sid on channel a couple times, man. Sid be hollering at me. You know what I'm saying? Sid got him a little G-body action going on over here. Yeah, man. So, Sid, man, you want to talk your shit? Or you just... I can't. I don't know nothing about it, so I can't tell him nothing. Want me to shut the hood? Want me to shut the hood?
No, you can shut the hood.
I ain't got to shut the hood. All right. What year is it? 7-8.
7-8 shit. Real 7-8.
Yeah.
Real person, we got the real 7-8.
Uh-oh. I don't know if you're gonna like that, but now you shy.
Huh?
Now you shy. Now he talk all this shit. Now he shy. It's not clean though. Huh? Shit, everything's still under construction. Hell, I'm still under construction. I've been out 3 years. 4 years. Alright, man, well, he ain't gonna come on the camera, man, so I'm gonna go ahead, man, show y'all what we got going on. Nice deal, though. The swap. I ain't seen too many like it. Interior killing. Alright, let me go and show y'all what's up.
Let it make like when the ball, you got to put the hole in over.
Huh?
It's going down, you know that.
He said he wants y'all to see it. He don't want to get on the camera and tell you about it. But he wants you to see it though. Yeah, man, it's unclean. Like, what else you gotta do to it? Like, you ain't gotta paint it or nothing to it.
Probably do, like I said, a little paint touch or else I'm gonna put a top in the roof end though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Mirrors, you know, stuff like that.
Right. Oh, okay. That's all. Got old LT in here, man. Got that old LT in there. BP Automotive harness. That thing clean, man. The boy interior, some serious. And they going up with it. Hey, you got a chalk up here? A wheel chalk. Man, what you trying? What the hell you trying to do? Man, trying to take him out live. Yeah, I ain't gonna go over it. Definitely ain't gonna go over it. So you gonna put a top on there? Nah, this interior look. You ain't gonna try his interior or nothing? Not right now.
Probably do the 2 bucket seats.
Ah, okay.
I might do the 2 bucket seats, put the shit in the console.
Pretty much it's gonna be the concept though. You going back with a black top or?
Nah, I'm gonna try to.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Yeah, don't worry about it. Hey, y'all gonna have to see it, man. I was just asking to see if that was the concept.
Yeah.
That ain't the concept. Don't worry about it. You ain't gotta spill the beans too much. Yeah, that boy nice though, man. Matching wheel for the wheels. That boy, man, that thing is something serious. Good job, see that boy wheels, man. It's a real back wheel. This a back wheel right here, man. This joint is I'm gonna stand right here and let y'all see. Hold on. 24, man. That nigga serious, boy. That boy serious. That boy got that pressure. Got LCW. That boy got that pressure, man. So y'all know, man, we doing these bills on here. It's another bill. So we got my dog Diamond bill. We got the green joint now. We got the Malibu bill. Who else want me to buy and put another bill on the channel, man? I don't know who else got nothing going on right now, but these right here look like two major players, man. You know what I'm saying? About to go ahead and do their thing. Gonna put that old rear end in there. Yeah, I'll sneak peek at this old rear end. Alright, that's enough. Y'all ain't see nothing else. Gonna take them drums off there, man. I don't know, man. What y'all think, man? Y'all hop down in the comment, man, and tell me what y'all think about this thing. Alright, though. That green, I don't think I never seen that green on nothing. That's a factory color? You don't know. Well, if it ain't a factory color, it look damn good. I was trying to see if this is a factory color. Hey. Look at those Memphis Michael Mayers. Michael. All you need is the wig, dog. Boy, trying to get a little work done around here, man. Yeah, man, I had to show y'all this bill. Because I couldn't let this one fly. Had to show y'all, man. Hopefully, man, I got something else going on today, man. I can go and get some more footage. But I couldn't leave without getting this, though. Malibu Landau. I'm going down there working, man. I'm about to snatch the rear end out.
That's too big.
Well, see, you finna drive off today, ain't it?
Nah, we gonna drive.
Oh, you gonna drive all day? Oh, okay.
Nah, we still gotta do the front.
Ah, okay.
Front suspension.
Oh, yeah. So you done went pretty much all the way through it, pretty much. Okay. Yes, sir. So what you got an estimate date of when you gonna be out? Or you just however it comes, how it comes? Ah, okay. He ain't no hurry. He got like 9,000 other cars, so this one really don't even matter. Man, y'all think y'all tough, don't it? Them boys think they tough. They already got that thing out down there, look like. Yeah, man. I just wanted to show y'all that, man. I'm probably finna get ready to get out of here, man. I gotta go pick the baby up, but I'm waiting on a phone call. You know what I'm saying? To see if I can go and grab some more footage. Damn, there we go. Let's see if I can go grab some more footage, man. But I'll definitely be keeping an eye on this one, man. Cause yeah, y'all need to see this, man. Y'all need to see this pressure from the M. Yes, sir. Woo! Man, look. But yeah, man. Let me get ready to get on up out of here. I'll hit y'all in a minute.
Now they 16, they the wide one, they the 205. 205, 25. So what's these? These, yeah, them 25. I got
Find out what I need to know.